loves, it's your girl Kiki and welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I get these beautiful crochet twist hairstyle, just keep on watching. Alright, so for the things you'll need a crochet needle. You'll need shine and jam or anything that you're going to braid your hair with. Any kind of edge control will be fine. And you need your hair. We're using the Latched and Hooked Skinny Boho Bounce Twist, an 18-inch, and it's in the color 1B. Alright, so I'm starting off on freshly washed and stretched hair. I just braided it into 4 braids and then unraveled them and brushed it out. So for our braid pattern, we're not going to do anything too fancy, y'all. We're just going to do some straight back braids, but I just wanted to show you how I connect the braids in the back so that things can lay flat. So I'm going to just do this first braid. I'm going to add my edge control. Excuse me, I'm going to add my shine and jam, and then I'm going to begin to braid. If you want to know a more in-depth way to do a cornrow, I do have a cornrow video on my channel. I will link that down below for you. Alright, so we're done with our first braid, and now we're going to start on our next one, and this is the most important. So I'm going to start on this braid, and then what I'm going to do is once I braid down, I'll say about 75% of the way, I'm going to take my end of my first braid and I'm going to connect it in to my second braid. And that's just going to help my ends stay tucked away so I don't have to do it later. And it's just going to give me a more flat foundation to lay my crochet hair on top of. Also, I'm just going to continue to do this for each braid until I get to the last braid, and then the last braid I will just crochet into the rest of my hair, and I'll show you that when I get there. So yeah, I'm just going to continue to braid, and I'll be back when I'm done with that. Alright, so we are all done braiding. So what we're just going to do is we're going to take our crochet hook. We're going to put it through some braids. It doesn't have to be perfect, y'all. You can put it wherever. And then you're just going to crochet in that last end into your hair so that it is away and you can crochet over it. And here's just a final look of the braid pattern. I have 13 straight back braids. So the hair that we're using today is the Latched and Hooked Skinny Boho Crochet Bounce Twist. This is in the 18-inch, but they do also have a 30-inch. Each pack comes with 2 bundles, and each bundle has 10 strands for a total of 20 strands per pack. And I used 8 packs for this hairstyle. I did not have not one strand left. Alright, so let's start to crochet in our hair. So what you're going to do is you're going to open the latch hook. You're going to stick it in your braid. I'm going to start in the front. You're going to open up the twist. These are fairly easy to open. And then you are going to put it on the hook. You are going to close the hook. And then you are going to pull it through. Y'all, it is that simple. That is why I love crochet. It's so beginner friendly. I think the hardest part is braiding your hair up. But of course, if you can't braid it yourself, please go to your stylist. Ask your mom, ask your cousin, your sister, anyone who you know can help you out and just give you some straight backs real quick. That would be great. And then you can go home and crochet the hair in on your own time. This style in total took me 2 hours to do. It took me about an hour to braid my hair, and then it took me about an hour to install the crochet hair. So yeah, super quick, super easy. Yeah, anyone can do it, y'all. So I'm gonna just crochet the hair in, and then I will be back when I am done. Also, y'all, I just want to say, try not to get too caught up in putting too much hair, especially in the back. The hair will fall over and cover it, so don't worry too much about it. Just remember to space it out. Again, use your finger as your guide, and yeah. So when you're in the front, probably the last 4 rows, I would say. You want to start packing in the twist a little closer. I wouldn't use the finger rule anymore. I would just put the twists in so that it looks more natural and it gives you a little more coverage at the top. All right, loves, now that we are done installing all of our twists, we're just going to brush up our edges a little bit. I would recommend using a better edge control because this Shine and Jam did not hold my edges well at all. But I'm not too particular about my edges. Like, don't get me wrong, I like to brush them up, but I also love to leave them natural as well. So please do whatever suits you. So once you are done with that, you were pretty much all done with your style. Shake it out. Check out the length. Check out the twists. Check out the bounce. Flip it around. See how you want to wear it. But yeah. All right, love, so this is the final look. I love this hair. If you can't tell, it's super lightweight, super bouncy. Look, it's like a passion twist slash spring twist, like boho babe kind of thing going on. Like, I love it. When I take these out, I'm definitely going to do a video for you guys because these are reusable. So I'm going to take them out and show you how I wash them so you can reinstall them. These are such a wonderful investment because it's not only one time that you're going to use them, you can use them more. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave me a comment down below. Thank you so much to Latched and Hooked for sending me this beautiful hair. I love it. They have an 18-inch and they also have a 30-inch. When summer rolls around, I definitely want to try the 30-inch, but I'm loving the 18-inch right now as well. Don't get me wrong. Let me know what you guys think. I love it. I will leave Latched and Hooked's information down below as always. So again, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you always. And until next time, take care and I will see you in my next video. Bye.